iClass for Teachers. Today, I am going to guide you on how to navigate or use our PCB Learning Management System. On your browser's address bar, type iClass.pcbsambales.com and wait for the page to load. Log in using the credentials provided by the administrator and click Login or simply press Enter. Once you logged in, the LMS homepage will appear. You can access your profile at the right side part of the page. At the homepage, you will see the latest announcements, navigation, upcoming events, calendar, and site announcements. Click the dashboard and the navigation and you will be directed on the course overview. Navigation shows the link of PCB websites and courses handled. Upcoming events show the upcoming or latest activities of the subject. Online users show the online users that are active or connected. Course overview shows all the assigned subjects or courses handled by the instructor. So all subjects are color-coded. Click the specific subject on the dashboard or on the course overview and you will be directed on the course view. Here, the subject content is the place where you can edit, add topic, assignment, quiz, and many more for the subject. Turn editing on. Use this button to edit the settings of the topic and to add activity or resource. Right after you click Turn Editing On, the icons will appear. For announcements, this is where you can add announcements such as the student's manual, syllabus, course outline, curriculum guides, and many more. For topics, this part shows the name of the topic to be discussed or uploaded. Click on the pencil icon to rename. Important note, click Enter to save. To add your topic or module, click plus, add an activity or resources, and a new window will appear. Click File within Activities, then click Add. You can now add name for your module. You can add your description about the lesson or the module you have provided. To upload the module, you can simply drag and drop it on the box, or simply click on the arrow down icon. Once you clicked the arrow down button, a window will appear. This will let you choose the file or the module you are going to upload. Click on the file and click Open. Then after, click Upload this file. The file or the module should be uploaded. Click Save and return to course. The module topic is posted on the LMS. For the course or module assignment, click plus add an activity or resource and a new window will appear. Just choose Announcements within Activities, then click Add. Type the assignment name. For example, Assignment 1 for Week 1. Type description of the assignments, or you can also directly enter the questions. The Display Description on Course Page checkbox is optional. If you want to show the questions or description, automatically click the checkbox. For additional files, you can upload a file for questions. Click the icon to add files and a window will be displayed as File Picker. Click this icon to add files and a window will be displayed as File Picker. Availability. This is where the module availability will be modified. Click Enable to allow submissions from and set the date and time you want the students to view the assignment. Click Enable to set the due date and time for the deadline of submission. Leave cutoff date disabled. You can also enable the reminder of the date and time of grading of the assignment. Submission type can be online text or file submission. For file submissions, students can submit their assignments in a different form. You can modify the maximum number of uploaded files to be submitted by the student, for example 1. Change the maximum submission size accordingly. 5 MB is the recommended file size. Change the maximum submission size accordingly. Choose the accepted file types you want by clicking the checkbox. Check online text if you want the students to directly answer the questions in text form. In submission settings, click the arrows and choose Yes to require students to click the Submit button. Click Save and Display to view. In Assignment Overview, and now we are going to add quiz to our module. To add quiz, click the plus icon, add an activity or resource. Choose quiz and click Add. Type the quiz name, like for example, Quiz 1. Add a description of the quiz. It is optional. Timing. Go to Timing and set the schedule of the quiz. Enable within the Open Quiz and set your desired date and time. Click Enable within Close the Quiz and set the desired date and time. Click Enable within the time limits and enter the duration of the quiz when open. You can set the time limits according to the number of time or items you prepared. Go to Grades and within Attempts Allowed, click the arrows and choose 1. Set your layout new page to every question. Go to Question Behavior and choose Yes on the Shuffle Within questions. Go to Review options and uncheck all the attempts. Click Save and Display to continue editing questions for the quiz. And now for setting up content of your quiz. Click Edit Quiz to add quiz items or questions. Click Add and click Plus a new question. Choose multiple choice, then click Add. In the general settings, choose your desired category. Type the question name, usually it refers to the number of question. Type the question and question text. Enter desired default mark. This is the equivalent points on your question. Type the general feedback for the question. This is explanation why the answer is correct. For one or more answer, choose one answer only, and then check Shuffle the choices. On the answers, type the choices on the text box, and if that choice is the correct answer, select 100%, otherwise choose none for the incorrect answer. You can create 3 or more choices. Take note, there is no need to add letter or number to the choices. Click Save Changes and proceed on making more questions. And now to add questions for true or false. Choose True or False, then click Add. Type the question name, continuation of the first item. Type the question text applicable on a true or false question. Set your default mark. Add general feedback. It is optional. Choose the correct answer, either true or false. You can add feedback for the responses. Click Save Changes and proceed on making more questions. Add more questions or item depends on the subject. To add questions for short answer, click plus a new question and choose Short Answer and click Add. Type the question name, continuation of the last item. Type the question text applicable on a short answer question. Set your default mark. Type the general feedback regarding the correct answer. For the answers, type the answer and set grade to 100% to the correct answer. You can give grades to other relevant answer. Click Save Changes and proceed on making more questions. Set the maximum grades to the item quiz or from the default mark. Check the shuffle to shuffle the questions, then click Save. Click on the Quiz 1 on the top part. This section shows the quiz opened and closed time, attempts allowed, and time limit. You can preview the created quiz. For the discussion, to add discussion, click plus icon or add an activity or resources. Choose forum and click add. On the general settings of forum, type the forum name, like for example, discussion. Add a description of the topic you want to discuss. Some discussion serves as recitation. You can click the display description on course page. Click Enable within due date to set the date and time of discussion. Leave the cut-off date disabled. Click on Save and Display to continue editing. To add topic, click on Add a new discussion topic. Enter subject to be discussed and message. To finish, click Post to Forum. This section shows the post was successfully added. To view the discussion, click on the discussion below, for example for recitation. To this point, this section shows the discussion and the reply of the student or students. Feedback, comments, and suggestions. To add feedback, click plus add an activity or resources. Choose feedback and click add. Type the name of the description of the feedback. Description is optional. Availability. Enable allow answers from allow answers to and set the date and time accordingly. Click Save and Display to continue editing. To add questions, click on Edit Questions. Choose your desired question. For example, longer text answer. Add question for feedback, comments, or suggestions. You can set your width, number of lines, and position. Click on Save Question to finish. This section shows the preview of the feedback. For tutorial and references. To add a link or source from the web, click plus add an activity or resource. Choose URL and click Add or hit Enter. In the general settings, type the name of the tutorial or reference. Choose or enter the link of your subject within the external URL. How to add YouTube link. Type in the search the desired video. Click on the video you want to add. On the address bar, copy the link. Go back to iClass. Paste the copied URL in the external URL. Add description about the tutorial or reference. Click on Save and Display for preview. This section shows the preview of tutorial or references. How to hide a topic or module. Click Edit and choose Hide Topic to temporarily hide the topics while working on the current lesson.